Hi everyone! I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Can you believe that with just two very ordinary ingredients, we can create a dish that will surprise everyone? At first glance, it looks like a familiar snack, but the end result will make you change your mind. First, I prepare 4 potatoes that have been peeled and washed. Next, use a grater to grate the potatoes into thin, even strands. Once done, rinse the potatoes under running water. This simple step helps remove some of the starch from the surface of the potatoes. Now I soak the potatoes in ice water for about 15 minutes. While waiting, I prepare 4 fresh eggs. Crack the eggs directly into a bowl, one at a time. Separate each yolk into small bowls, keeping the whites in the large bowl. After 15 minutes, remove the potatoes and spread them out on a clean towel. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Use the towel to thoroughly pat dry any remaining moisture on the surface of the potato strands. Now, place a pot on the stove and add just enough oil. When the oil is hot, I fry the potatoes in small batches over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. The purpose of this step is to cook the inside and help the potatoes retain their shape. Then, remove the potatoes and place them on paper towels to drain, and let them cool slightly. Look at these golden, crispy potato strands, still hot and fresh from the fryer. They're beautifully crunchy on the outside, light and delicate inside, with an irresistible golden color that makes every bite simply delicious. When you pick up the potato strands, you'll hear them crunch as they touch each other. Next, I prepare a baking sheet and spread a thin layer of butter on the bottom. Divide the potatoes into 2 equal portions and shape them into small nests. Use the back of a spoon to gently press down in the center to create a small indentation. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, gently place an egg yolk in the center of each potato nest. The crispy golden strands form a beautiful little nest around the egg yolk. With its bright color and delicate texture, it looks wonderfully appetizing, while the rich yolk in the center adds an irresistible touch. Now, place the baking sheet in the oven. At 190 degrees Celsius, for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just long enough for the yolks to remain deliciously soft and creamy. When the time is up, I remove the baking sheet from the oven. Sprinkle a layer of grated cheese or cheese powder on top to make the dish even more fragrant and creamy. Just look, the outer layer of potatoes is golden and crispy, blending perfectly with the fragrant cheese powder, while the yolks in the center remain plump and glossy, making for a truly beautiful presentation. Tip 2. Fried potato and egg cakes. First, I prepare 3 potatoes that have been peeled and washed. I slice the potatoes into medium-sized pieces. Then cut them into matchstick-sized strips. Once cut, I rinse the potatoes one more time under running water to remove some of the starch from the surface. Next, I place the potatoes in a bowl. Cover them with cold water and let them soak for about 30 minutes. This step helps the potatoes become crispier when fried. After 30 minutes, I remove the potatoes and spread them out on a clean towel. I use another towel to gently press down on top to completely absorb any remaining moisture. I prepare a pot, pour in enough cooking oil to fill about half the pot, and heat it over medium heat. When the oil reaches the right temperature, I divide the potatoes into batches and fry them briefly for about 3 to 5 minutes. When the time is up, I remove the potatoes and let them drain on paper towels. Next, I prepare the baking dish. I spread a thin layer of butter on the bottom and sides of the dish. I arrange the fried potatoes on the bottom of the dish and around the sides, creating a crispy potato crust. I grate cheese into each compartment to add a rich, creamy flavor. Then I take 2 eggs and crack them into the center of the baking dish. And with that, we've completed the first step. I place the dish in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. When the time was up, I took the baking sheet out of the oven by then. The eggs were soft-boiled, and the melted cheese had blended perfectly with the crispy golden potatoes, creating a delicious, rich, and incredibly tempting dish. So, we've finished making these incredibly delicious dishes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.